Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the boost feature on Sweatcoin to earn extra coins faster. Open the Sweatcoin app and look for the boost button. It's usually on your home screen near your step count. Tap it and you'll see an option to activate a 20-minute boost. This feature multiplies the number of steps you take during that time, helping you earn Sweatcoins at a higher rate. Before starting, make sure you're ready to walk or run because the boost only works while you're actively moving. Once you tap Start Boost, the timer begins counting down and every step you take will give you bonus rewards. You can only use one boost every few hours, so try to use it when you're out for a walk or doing errands. When the timer ends, your extra steps will automatically convert into more Sweatcoins. That's how to use the Sweatcoin Boost feature effectively to maximize your earnings every day. Subscribe the channel for more videos.